na 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 ra 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 ra. So, by the way, I have lost my 7th pair of AirPods this freaking year itself. I have all the boxes that I've kept. Yeah, AirTags is one thing, okay? And I know you can track your AirPods even now. एक बार मेरा सोहो में छूटा, एक बार मेरा जिम में, and I went to collect it and somehow they gave me somebody else's AirPods and I didn't go back because I was not very sure. Apparently, you know, the way to identify my own AirPods is hi 9,387 people. The way to identify my AirPods is it had holy color in it, yeah, pink color के थे, जैसे मेरे बाल हो गए थे ना, ऐसे. Hi. मुझको तुम जो मिले जिंदगी मिल गई रा 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 हुस्न की बिजलियाँ. We just did the acting class finished and today I'm so happy. It was such a beautiful class that I have done today. बहुत amazing सा था. So one of the exercises that we did in acting is that if you could compare yourself to an animal, then which animal would that be? अगर आपको अपने आप से किसी animal से associate करना हो तो वो कौन सा जानवर होगा? You know what is my favorite animal that I associate with? It's Black Panther. And because मैंने ज़्यादा उसके बारे में पढ़ा देखा नहीं था तो मैंने फिर before doing the this is protein shake. Before Google, I don't like it when I lose track. So I Googled about Black Panther. I learned about the traits, and somehow the assumption that I had about that animal was correct. That Black Panther is mysterious. They are very calm, composite, yet आपको भी ब्लैक पैंथर पसंद है? सो गुड. हाँ, so then you have, while performing, you should have some of the physical traits of the animal, like the way they walk, the way they are alert, the way they are mysterious, the way that is. So very little I saw, and there was a huge difference in the performance that I did before taking that assumption and after it. So yeah, it's good. When am I coming to Chhatarpur? Well, my parents are coming to Bombay. So yes, this time they'll be here on this chat, ना कि मैं वहाँ के छत पे. कैसे हो आप लोग? I know I am. I love that. There should always be a mystery to the personality and the character, I believe. And I think I find myself fascinated towards men who talk less. मतलब मेरे, if I have to say that kind of men that attracts me, that I'm attracted to, are the men. Bombay, construction going on every freaking where. I took this house and that's when I realized how much construction is going around me, man. Damn. So yeah, men who are chivalrous, of course, mysterious, very intelligent, well educated, and somebody who speaks only the necessary. It's not about having a short attention span, but I feel people who talk a lot, they're naturally not very attractive, are they? Constantly chattering, talking everything that they know, saying everything that comes to their head is not attractive for anybody, I believe. So yeah, one way to maintain mystery is to hello. Oh, you have the same dress. That's so lovely. This dress is about, I think now 10 years old. आपको पता है? I bought this dress from Jaipur. My mother liked this one, so I loved going to shopping with my mom. That doesn't happen anymore. आपको पता है? The other day, because she's coming here, वो बोलती है कि बेटा हम आपको क्या ला के दे सकते हैं, आपके पास सब कुछ है. तो मैंने बोला माँ आपने मेरे लिए एक ड्रेस लेकर के आओ छतरपुर से. सो छतरपुर इज सच ए स्मॉल टाउन. हमारे घर में ना कुछ करीबन 8-10-15 शॉप्स हैं नीचे जो रेंट पे हैं. तो वहाँ पे एक दुकान है जो कि कपड़े की दुकान है. एंड सो माई मॉम वेंट देयर एंड शी कॉल्ड मी ऑन वीडियो एंड देन शी बॉट अ क्यूट येलो ड्रेस. Obviously the fit is not that great, but इतना प्यारा सा outfit है ना, वो मेरे लिए इतना special है ना, मैं lifetime उस outfit को बचा के रखूँगी because my mom got me a dress. It is so beautiful, you know. It's so beautiful. Yes, मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन करने के बाद अपना स्कूल विजिट किया है. ऑफ कोर्स मैंने विजिट किया. इनफैक्ट आई विल बी विजिटिंग अगेन. दे कीप कॉलिंग मी फॉर एनुअल फंक्शंस एंड अदर इवेंट्स. आई वांट टू विजिट माय कॉलेज आल्सो बट नॉट टू श्योर. मैंने कॉलेज को खास कुछ दिया नहीं है ना. मैं इंजीनियर बनी नहीं मैं प्रॉपरली. व्हाट्स अप व्हाट्स अप व्हाट्स अप व्हाट्स अप. आई लव यू. क्या चल रहा है? LHS has to be equal to RHS, no? But definitely your mind is neither good on LHS nor on RHS. Do something about that. How about growing your brain cumulatively and the vision too? Because if you only could see one thing that is below the eyes, shows me how much you are lacking, sweetheart. Don't waste your parents, no? You should be good genes, isn't it? What's up? Order plays Amazon. As your wish. Hi. मैं कहाँ हूँ? अपने घर की छत पर हूँ. देखोगे मेरी छत फिर से? ये देखो, घने घने बादल, लग रहा है बारिश होने वाली है. यार पता है मैं प्लानिंग करने वाली लड़की तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी. हर बार ये होता था कि बारिश अचानक से आ जाती है and I'm like, but this time I'm actually planning to visit Chennai. Get some South Indian looks done there. Meet few people there. I was there, you know. अभी कल के मैच के लिए मैं नहीं आ पाई. And then do a lot of shoots here in Bombay. But ये तो already देखो यार क्या हालत है. कोई कैसे शूट करेगा छत पे? It's crazy. It's insane. Which phone is mine? This is iPhone. Which one is this? कौन सा मॉडल चल रहा है अभी? It's the latest one. 15, 18. कहाँ है हम अभी? मुझे कोई खबर नहीं है. I don't care about it. Just know that I have about 4 phones lying in my cupboard, non-active, not using it. Why am I not using it? Why am I not selling it off? Attachment. The more you own, the more they start to own you, and that's what's happened with me. 15 Pro, yeah, that's one. I have one Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy. What is that new one? Galaxy Tab? What is that called? So yeah, that phone, that is the latest. That also I have. I buy them to make content and shoot and stuff. And believe me, the reason I was looking for an editor is because so much content, so much natural, beautiful content just like this I keep making, and I don't post it because I'm tired of editing it myself, and I'm also tired of giving it to people trying to explain my vision. सामने हो ना, cut. There's just the reason why people have offices, right? What's up? Hi, Aman Pandey. Thank you so much. What's happening? आज बारिश तो पक्का है. I was supposed to go to gym today. मैंने कहा एक काम करते हैं, घर पे वर्कआउट करते हैं. So I finished that. 2 words for CSK. CSK, you have my love. The incidental fame that happened because of you was not intended, but I don't mind it. Anything related to Chennai or South India, I'm a big fan only for the reason that the loyalty that I get from people in South, be it Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kerala or Chennai. The way you have shown me love for my work or for me, it's insane, and I love that craziness. I mean, anybody can get addicted to the fan base that comes from South especially, which is why you want to work there as much as you can, only for the love of audiences, not because you will make it big in Bollywood later on. अरे किसको पता है यार future का क्या है? Things doesn't go as planned, but then the momentum, the love that you get from fans, it's true. Apparently it's not something that doesn't last when your projects are not coming. It just stays there, and that's what I love about it. The loyalty, the very loyalty. No, I'm not a Chennai girl, but I can be one for you. है ना? Maybe I hope and let's hope that you see me in more of Tamil Telugu films and make me a girl. I'm already learning the language for that. Hi Ashutosh. Favorite cricketer, even that is that a question? I love Dhoni, I love Virat. Hi. Hi Anveshi Jan Universe. Oh, thank you, Udit. We are planning a meet and greet soon, possibly in Ahmedabad. And one of my fan pages are organizing it. And let's hope to see you there. I really hope to see you there. Oh, your wife love me. Such a rare comment I'm seeing. मतलब मैंने तो दुनिया जीत ली. अगर मैंने लड़कियों का प्यार जीत लिया तो भाई साहब 96% men audience, a few women, and those women I love. Sure, I would love to visit Sri Lanka again. You know how much I love traveling any place. Kama Sutra lovers, sure. Hi Yash. Hi Satish. Why do you think I am famous? Go through my profile, figure out reasons, because I'm sure there's not one reason. There are two or more. There is more. आंधी आई हुई है वहाँ पर. Nice. Hi. Yes, you'll meet me in July. We'll make that happen. My birthday is coming, so maybe something on the birthday. Hanji. है ना? Naturally curly. Yeah, I know. We have to plan it in Bombay also. Let's plan it in Bombay. Hi, Satish. There's so many people with the name of Satish only, huh? Hi. Bangalore, I miss, man. Hi, Rohit. Thank you. Hi, Murli. Hi, Rajkumar. Hi, Aftab. Yes, I want to say, construction. So much noise. Here also they are doing it. Do you want to see it where I am? But I'll show you the ocean. You know, I love that house. I want to buy one flat there. This building is beautiful. It's called Juhu Acropolis. बहुत ही खूबसूरत building लगती है यार. That one behind that you see DLH, not a great fan of. And here, right here, the most beautiful. I wish I could flaunt my house, but I won't. Okay, so where were we? Juhu, babe. Juhu. हाँ ना, दिग धक सॉन्ग जो आ रही है वो कंस्ट्रक्शन है मेरी जान. पूरा बॉम्बे में कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. यहाँ तो बिल्डिंग्स बनी जा रही है बैक टू बैक. I'm good, Vignesh. How are you? Yes, I do. Hi, Vivek. Hi, Purnima. Hi, Fit with AJ. Lovely weather, yaar. It's amazing. My beauty tips? Okay, first of all, I was going to say something for my fan base, for fans. We have about more than how many fan pages do we have, guys? How many of them are there? 40, 50? This many is what I know of. So many fan pages, it's amazing. And some of them has about 2-3 lakh followers individually. Like Sukanya has about 190k, yeah. And then other people have great followers. So much of love you give to me, not just to me but to everybody who is related to me. Thank you so much for that. Second of all I want to say to you is I will always love you, and I'll try be more available here or the app or wherever I can be on live sessions, because I know me and you started bonding on live sessions, and I feel that's my forte too. I'm very good at this. I am freaking good. So we'll continue to do that. If I forget, you have to remind me to come live. Would you do that for me? You will? Good. Lovely. Bye now. I'm going to work out. I love you. अच्छा अजय तिवारी, आपसे हिंदी में बात कर लूँ मैं? श्योर। नमस्ते मितेश जैन जी। हाय श्रीकांत। रेन रेन रेन, इट्स gonna rain. Bye. I think too much. My trainer is here. I have to go. Bye.